Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Google Calendar on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the search bar at the top and type Google Calendar. Look for the app made by Google LLC. Tap the Get button next to the Google Calendar. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to confirm. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the app on your phone. When the app's open, you will be asked to sign in. Enter your Gmail and password to log in. The app might ask permission to send you notification or access your calendar. Tap Allow to get reminders. Now you are ready to use Google Calendar on your phone. Now you can view event and add new ones and keep your schedule organized. And that's it. That's how you get Google Calendar on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.